Welcome, my dear students of class 10A. Today's class is for you. I am going to introduce you the lesson from civics, the Union Legislature. Here there are some points, please look at it. Point number 1, role of Lok Sabha, role of Rajya Sabha, role of Speaker, role of Prime Minister, role of Leader of the Opposition. Number 1, role of Lok Sabha. What is Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha is the temporary house of the Parliament. You know, the Parliament has two houses. One is Lok Sabha and another one is Rajya Sabha. Now, Lok Sabha is formed with the members elected directly by the votes of the common people of India. On the contrary, the members of the Rajya Sabha, they are elected indirectly by the votes of the members of the Legislative Assembly through the Electoral College. But what is the basic difference between these two houses of Parliament? The basic difference is the Lok Sabha is more powerful than the Rajya Sabha. Why? Because all the members are elected directly and they go to the Lok Sabha and raise various questions before the Speaker of the House, and Speaker is supposed to hear all the questions, all the debates and discussions, and then regarding the point of difference, the Speaker may obstruct the way of stopping question answering. Now what is the reason? Because sometimes some members of the Parliament, they raises unjust questions, the questions which are meaningless. They may ask this type of questions. In that case, the Speaker always obstruct them from asking such kind of unnecessary questions in order to save the time, because a member of Parliament does not have any right to waste time of the House. That's why, as the head of the House, the Speaker always make them stop practicing such kind of things. Besides, the Speaker, if anyone else, any member forcefully asks any unnecessary questions and tries to waste time of the House, in that case, the Speaker may dismiss him temporarily or dismiss from the session. That is depending on the nature and attitude towards the Speaker and towards the members of the Parliament. That's why, my dear students, the Speaker's role in the House also is very important. And next one, role of Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha, as I mentioned earlier, Rajya Sabha is the permanent house. Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved. Rajya Sabha is the permanent house, it cannot be dissolved. But Lok Sabha is not permanent house. Lok Sabha can be dissolved at any time before it completes its normal tenure. That's why the members of the Lok Sabha, they always plays an important role in asking various questions to the respective ministers. And respective ministers are supposed to answer all the questions in front of the Speaker. And as per the laws of the country, each and every member of the House of Parliament, they raises questions on behalf of their locality, on behalf of the question, on behalf of their people, and for the welfare works, developmental works of their locality. For example, one member became the member of the Lok Sabha for a term of 5 years. But on being the member of the Lok Sabha, the person's first and foremost duty as the representative of his own locality is making sure the development, welfare work of his locality. That's why he may raise various types of questions on behalf of the people of his own locality and for the all-round development of his own areas. That's why, my dear students, the people and the role of their members is very important in the House. But in the Rajya Sabha it is not possible, because members doesn't like to take many advantages like the members of the Lok Sabha. and members gets retired. Each and every member, as I mentioned earlier, gets retired after 2 years, and the term of 6 years. As soon as the term of 6 years is completed, then the Rajya Sabha once again is formed. Rajya Sabha members are elected indirectly, Lok Sabha members elected directly. Lok Sabha is formed for 5 years term, and Rajya Sabha for 6 years term. Lok Sabha, before it complete its normal tenure, Lok Sabha Lok Sabha may be dissolved, but Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved because it is a permanent house. That's why it cannot be dissolved. And what is the role of the Speaker? As I mentioned earlier, the most important role of the Speaker is to find out whether a bill is a money bill or an ordinary bill. That's why the role of the Speaker in the House of Parliament is very important. And another important function of the Speaker is he makes a link. He makes a link between the President and the Lok Sabha. That means the Speaker is a link between the President and the Lok Sabha. This is the most important work of the Speaker. The Speaker is a link between the Lok Sabha and the President. Besides, the Speaker conveys various informations to the President of India regarding various issues, various discussions, and the Speaker also establishes her influence in the House of Parliament, so that the members of the House of Parliament must not, violate the rules of the House. That's why the role the Speaker must have to be an experienced parliamentarian. Only one experienced parliamentarian is supposed to be the Speaker, and that's why all the members of the Parliament, all the members of the Parliament means members of the Lok Sabha, when the first session is held, during that day, all the members of the Lok Sabha unanimously elect one person to be the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and then the Speaker is elected. And that's why a person, they always give priority to such persons, who is an experienced parliamentarian. An experienced parliamentarian is given the priority to be the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, so that each and every part of discussion can be done easily under his care, under his special care, and no irregularity is held in the House when debates and discussions are held in the House. And until the process of debates and discussion is completed, is done, the role of the Speaker in the House of Parliament is very important. He or she always maintains discipline in the House, and the other members, they always look at the Speaker and his or her instruction, and by this way the entire process of debates and discussion is held in the Lok Sabha, and the entire process is done very smoothly in the Lok Sabha. And last point, my dear student, role of leader of the opposition, role of Prime Minister. The Prime Minister role in the House of Parliament is very important. On behalf of his government, Prime Minister speaks, and whenever Prime Minister stands to speak, the whole nation is supposed to speak, because Prime Minister is the representative of the country, representative of the nation, representative of his political party. Besides, the Prime Minister, in order to safeguard the interest of his minister, may come forward whenever a minister is attacked by any member of Parliament. Prime Minister may come forward in order to assist his member of Parliament is assist to his member of ministry, and gives various examples, explained thoroughly with copious examples, so that the member of that particular member of parliament must stop and may raise other questions. So, in order to avoid complicated questions, controversial questions, the role in the house, the role of Prime Minister in the house is very important, my dear students. Another one, role of the leader of the opposition. The leader of the opposition, this post is created as per the constitutional requirement. Our constitution has given the priorities to all the needy persons of our country to oppose the entire system of governance in the House of Parliament in front of the Speaker. Suppose one government is formed in the House, but there is none to oppose it. In that case, what is the system of democracy? Nothing. In a democratic system, there would be opposition. That's why one post is created, that is leader of the opposition. So, on behalf of in order to protest against the system, suppose one bill is going to be passed. A person, means the member of the opposition party, may raise various types of questions, so that the speaker must hear him properly and allows him to keep on asking this type of questions, so that the entire process of the democratic form of government in the country must be protected, and the interest of the people and the government must be safeguarded. That's why, my dear students, the role of the leader of the opposition in the house is very important, and the same person can exercise all rights, all privileges like a cabinet minister. So a cabinet ministers, exercise the rights, the privileges, whatever the cabinet minister, exercise, the same privileges, the same advantages the leader of the opposition can exercise. So this is the system given by the Constitution of India, so that the entire system of criticism must be done in the House of Parliament in front of the Speaker, and the government the government can work prominently in front of the member of the House, in front of the people of the country, so that each and every people must hear him, must see it through the cameras which are viewed. Photos are taken from the from the Parliament, from both the two houses of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and through this, the people of the country, they are able to hear what is going to be happen, or what is happening in the houses of Parliament. They come to know. Up to this, my dear students, thank you so much. If you have any problem, any difficulty, let me know. During my live class, I shall explain all these things detailed, but you don't remain silent, especially when I shall ask you questions, my dear students. Thank you so much.